Let me show you all camera settings that we have available on the Motorola Moto G87. So first, let's of course open the camera, and then here in the upper right corner we can go to camera settings. Here you can, for example, enable and disable the watermark. You can also choose if you want to use the basic or the frame watermark, and you can tap again after selecting the watermark in order to adjust some of these settings. Besides that, we have the Google Lens option, which of course we can easily toggle in here. So when you disable this, or if you enable this, you can decide if you want to have a quick access to Google Lens in the camera. Then we have efficient videos, which allows you to save videos using the HEVC format, also known as H.265. We have the mirror effect for the front camera. In capture methods, you can toggle the palm capture, so it allows you to take a picture by showing your hand. And there is also the auto smile capture, which allows the phone to recognize smiles in the frame, and if the phone does, then it will take a photo. And also we have tap anywhere to capture, so you can just simply tap on the camera preview, for example, in order to capture the picture. There is also the shutter sound option, so of course we can disable or mute the camera sound or the shutter sound, or we can turn it back on. In Capture Assistant you can find the assistive grid, so grid lines, and the leveler. There is also the quick capture gesture, which allows you to twist your phone twice in order to open the camera at any point. You can choose if you want the phone to automatically pick which camera you want to use, or it thinks you want to use. There is also the rear camera option, and of course the selfie camera, so you can choose specifically. We also have the keep last mode, so when that option is enabled, if you exit the camera and you return to it later on, you will be back in the last mode that you used in the camera. We can also save location, so pretty much it saves the information about where a photo is taken or where a video is recorded. And the storage option, which is available if you have a memory card added into your phone, so then you can decide if you want your photos and videos that you take in the camera to be saved in the internal storage or SD card. And of course we also have the camera feedback and help. We can reset our settings and a little bit information about the version of the camera. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.